let me go ahead and finish my project. Gotta order a bug deflector. Like, as this is drying, I'll probably go to AutoZone or Pep Boys or something. Maybe they have some in stock and I don't have to wait in the mail. I could get this all done today. All right, today's video, installing this Husky rock deflector, bug deflector on my 1999 Ford Econoline E-Series van. If it deflects bugs, great. I got it mainly to cover this emblem. I already chipped it right here. But I got a Raptor grill and I want to put in the Ford letters. I don't want it to say Ford, so I want to cover this outline. Okay, there's supplied 3M tape, but that's definitely not going to be enough over time. So I'm going to go ahead and drill it in. So it has a curve because the hood isn't completely flat. That's how the hood looks. So there's a curve into the hood. So I'm guessing these are going to be mounting points, and I probably should just rip this out. Pulled out the weather stripping. Now I'm just going to pull out these tabs, these lock tabs with some pliers. This will not work with the 3M tape. So I used Gorilla Tape to hold this in so I could screw in some holes right there, drill in some holes about a fist and about a fist, so close enough. Got the first two in. There's a good chance your hood's fiberglass. Did you know that? This is my second Ford Econoline, and both times the hoods were fiberglass. So two in. Now I could pull these off. This was just to hold it in place. I'm not sure how durable this is gonna be because it's a fiberglass hood, if the screws will eventually crack. So I went ahead and just lined it with Gorilla Tape. It's not a beauty van, so this doesn't bother me. I even have tape right there for my off-road lights. Here's the rock deflector. 1 week later, I went on a road trip last week, and this does not make noise. That was my main concern because this sticks out. See, there's a gap. So I thought it might make noise. It doesn't. I had one of these on my 1989 S10 Blazer. I took it off because when you got to freeway speed, it was flapping around and you could hear it. Not this. You can't hear this. So I got this to cover up the emblem right here. You could see the outline. I painted it black, but you could still see the outline. So I got this mainly so I could put in the red Ford letters. I don't want this to say Ford. That's redundant. So that's why I got it. Does it deflect rocks? That remains to be seen. This is my second van, and my first van, a rock hit it the first week of owning it, but it was right in the middle. It was horrible. This van, same thing happened. A rock hit it, and I got the crack right here. I'll replace it this year, and hopefully that rock deflector works. Like I said, this doesn't make noise. I was worried because of this gap, but no noise down the freeway. Like I said, fiberglass hood. Most of you are gonna probably have fiberglass hood. Let me know in the comment section if your hood's actually metal. Just take a magnet to it, see if it sticks. But most of you are gonna have fiberglass hoods. I had a 92 fiberglass hood, so I wasn't sure how the screws would hold. So I put the screws in and then lined this with Gorilla Tape. Doesn't bother me. It's not a beauty van. But eventually what I think I'm gonna do is, you know how it had weather stripping? I'm going to match up the holes on this deflector with the weather stripping holes where they were, and then put the retainer pins in, and that'll be much neater than the Gorilla Tape. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys watching this wanting a rock deflector, bug deflector, are gonna do just that. Just do a cleaner install. I just wanted to see my van with the Ford letters in the Raptor grill. If you're new to my channel, here's my van, off-road style. I've been sprucing it up lately, so I'll put some videos here, 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 and here at the end. Hope you guys check it out and subscribe to my channel. If you're a Ford Econoline enthusiast, I talk about these vans a lot.